cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we'll be doing another Grow Your Fro with Protective and No Manipulation Styles, episode 5, Half Cornrows Half Bun. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this, then please keep on watching. So yeah guys, I'm starting off by just wetting my hair, and then I'll begin adding the products. My hair was in mini plaits and I took them down, and so now I'm just re-moisturizing the hair, preparing it for this particular style. And I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator, just because I plan on making this a protective style, so it will be up for a few days. And then I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear, just to divide the front half from the back half. And then I'm going to begin applying my Blue Magic Originals made with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves to my scalp and hair, just to seal in that moisture from the water and the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. This is an optional step. I just feel like in the cooler months, I do want added protection to my hair. So that's why I chose to use this Blue Magic. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing in these clips. It's just preparing my hair for the actual style. So now that I've put all of the Blue Magic on the front half of my hair, I'm going to repeat the same process on the back half. So that's what I'll be doing now. And on these upcoming clips, I am going to be just detangling each section. I've already added the Blue Magic, and so I'm just going to add a little bit more to the ends and just comb out each section or brush out each section, getting out all of the tangles. And then I'm just twisting it up so that it won't continue to tangle. So that's what I'm doing on these clips, and I will repeat this on the front half of the hair as well. So yeah, guys, right here, I'm going to be using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Define and Shine Custard. And I'm just going to gather the back section. And this will be the base for my bun. So I'm just gathering all this hair together, making sure that it is pretty sleek and put together. So I'm just putting it mainly on the roots so that I can, lay all of this down in the way that I want it to go. And then I'm going to pull that up into a scrunchie. And you can position this wherever you want it. If you want it at the back of your head, at the middle of your head, or at the top. It just all depends on where you want your bun to be located. I want a low bun for this look. So I gather all the hair, and now I'm about to work on the actual front half, and these will be cornrows, and I will be using that same Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Define and Shine Custard just to lay it down a little bit. I didn't want to use gel because I didn't need an extreme hold, but I do want it to look a little sleek. But yeah, I'm going to use that at the roots just to braid up my hair. And that's what we'll be doing in these clips. Is just pretty much braiding the front half of the hair. You can do it in whatever design or style that you want. I think I did about five to six braids, and pretty much making them go in the direction that my hair grows. So that's what we're doing on these clips. So right here, we're just going to gather all of the hair for the bun. You want to gather all of it together and put it in this particular ponytail, your low ponytail that's serving as the base for your bun. So I'm just gathering all together and replacing that particular elastic band. And then once I do that, I'm just going to plait the hair up. You can do however many plaits you want. But I'm just doing one. And then once we do that, we're going to go ahead and add the braided hair and start wrapping it into the bun. Now, if you did decide to do flat twist or twist instead, then make sure that your braiding hair is is twisted instead of braided. So since I braided the front half of my head, I'm going to add, braiding hair that has been braided. And then you want to secure your bun with hairpins anywhere that you feel that it feels a little loose. So that's what we're doing on these clips. So next I'm going to just work on my edges, and I do want to say that my edges are a bit thinner because of the last particular hair mask that I did that contained the turmeric. The turmeric does remove hair if it's too dry, and I did not have enough liquid. Remember I said that I was being lazy. I didn't want to add any more water, so it did end up removing some of my baby hair. So I'm not going to do too much to them today, but I'm just using that Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Define and Shine custard on my edges, and basically that is it. So yeah, guys, I do want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Just witches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, he won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tybo. Edges a little